You can expect a lot from the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.